Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android Studio with the Kotlin plugin and an SDK installed so builds succeed. Once done, create a new project and pick a template that matches your app idea. Choose Kotlin explicitly because it integrates with Gradle and provides safer null handling. Make sure an emulator or USB device is ready. That lets you iterate fast. You want compilation to run on the first try, so set the correct SDK and Gradle version before writing code. Now you implement the core flow, update build. Gradle to the target Kotlin and Android Gradle plugin versions, then sync to avoid dependency mismatch. Next, organize packages into UI, domain, and data so responsibilities stay clear, and add layouts or compose composables. You then wire activity or fragment to a view model. Use live data or state flow for state and coroutines for I/O to keep the UI responsive. Once wired, run a debug build and iterate until features behave as expected. Finish by validating, run lint and tests to catch regressions, optimize your APK with R8, and inspect the app bundle for unnecessary libs. Once signed, test on multiple API levels to ensure compatibility. If something breaks, start with a clean build and invalidate caches in Android Studio, then check Gradle and Kotlin versions for mismatches. If errors persist, read the stack trace carefully. It tells you which file and line failed, so you can correct the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.